And welcome back to the Mangrove, everybody. My name is Krisha, and well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit margin into your margin wallet on the Binance exchange. Now, I'm going to go over the series assuming that you know the basics of margin trading, guys. Okay? Basics. And for those of you who do not know how to open your margin account on the Binance exchange, I did another video before this. I'm going to include a link above, basically showing you how to open up your margin account on the Binance exchange. Now, once again, this is assuming that you at least know the bare bone basics of margin trading. So let's get on with it. Now, as soon as you log on to your Binance account, you're going to be presented with your dashboard. And, well, what's the action that we want to perform here? We want to deposit margin into our margin trading account. So I immediately, intuitively, I just pan on over to my wallet, in which I am presented with my balance. Now, if you notice, there are 4 options on top over here. There's exchange, margin, futures, and lending. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to stick to exchange and margin. What must be noted here, guys, is that these are 2 different wallets. The exchange wallet is one wallet, and the margin wallet is another wallet. Okay, they're 2 different wallets, and they're independent of each other. Now, if you go onto the exchange wallet, which is your main wallet, everything in this wallet is what is yours. That's how you can differentiate between the 2. Everything in your exchange wallet is what is yours, okay? In all these coins, whatever you have a balance in any of these cryptocurrencies, it is yours to keep, to do with what you want to do with it, right? And if you pan on over to your margin, in the margin account, it's everything that's yours plus what you borrowed. And what you borrowed, you must pay back, right? So that's how you differentiate. 2 wallets, okay? We're dealing with 2 wallets. The exchange, everything that's yours, that's your main wallet. And then your margin wallet, which is what is yours and what you borrowed. And what you borrowed, you got to give back. All right, so now that we can differentiate between the 2 wallets, what is the next action that we want to perform? We want to deposit some margin into our margin wallet. You first essentially have to put it into your main wallet, your exchange wallet. What is in this wallet is everything that's yours. And the way you do that is, well, go on to your exchange wallet and say you want to deposit a bit of BTC. What are the 3 actions that you have over here? You have deposit, withdraw, and trade. We want to deposit. As soon as you hit that, you are given your Bitcoin address for the Binance exchange. You essentially send your Bitcoin to this address. Guys, this is super, super basic stuff. So yeah, you essentially send your Bitcoin to this address. Now, when it gets to this address, it does not mean that it automatically gets into your margin. No, this is all these are all manual actions that you'll have to perform, right? If you want to send it in as margin, you then, after getting your Bitcoin on this address, which is your main wallet, so that is the exchange wallet, you then have to go onto your margin wallet and transfer what you received on your exchange wallet to your margin wallet. That is the only way you can deposit it. That's the only way you can use it as margin. That action needs to be there. It is a manual action. The 2 wallets, the exchange wallet and the margin wallet, are independent of each other. Now, what must be noted, in case some of you are wondering, if you get liquidated on any of your margin trades, it does not affect your main account, which is this account right here, which is your exchange wallet. It does not affect your exchange wallet. What is in this wallet remains intact. Like I said, your exchange wallet is independent of your margin wallet. So the 3 options, the 3 actions that I can perform on my margin wallet is transfer, borrow/repay, and trade. I want to transfer. So the only thing that is presented to me over here is from exchange wallet to margin wallet and vice versa. If you hit that button in the middle, it basically changes it, right? So that is a way to. So essentially, you have to think of this intuitively. That is a deposit action and a withdraw action, right? So if you just do it default, the default selection is from exchange wallet to margin wallet. That is the deposit. That is the deposit, where we're depositing into the margin wallet because we need margin. And then if you click that button, it is from margin wallet to exchange wallet. That is the withdraw action, where you're withdrawing from your margin wallet, right? Now, this is the only way we can do it. This is the only way that Binance has sort of presented us with. This is the only way we can deposit margin into our margin wallet. So for the sake of this example, I want to do it from exchange wallet to margin wallet. That's the only option I have. So I have Bitcoin in my exchange wallet, so I have Bitcoin selected. This is a drop-down menu, so if you hit the drop-down menu, you'll be presented with, well, a series of cryptocurrencies that Binance does exchange as margin. If you want to put up another cryptocurrency as collateral, you are able to do so, right? But as long as it's within this list. As long as it's within this list. So I have Bitcoin. I want to put in a bit of Bitcoin. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead. And I'm going to say I'll put another 0.001. Oops. There we go. Confirm transfer. Remember, from exchange wallet to margin wallet. This is the only way I can deposit, guys. This is the only way I can deposit. So I'm going to say confirm transfer. Now, if you notice, as soon as I did that, my balance has gone from 0.001 to 0.002. And that is essentially how you deposit funds into the Binance exchange. And yeah, that's essentially it. So, like I said, from exchange to margin is you depositing. From margin to exchange is you withdrawing the funds from the margin wallet. That's it for depositing and withdrawing funds from the margin account on the Binance exchange. Now, if you have any more questions, just kind of hit me up on Telegram, and I will include a link to that in the description below. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like I said, I'm going to try and keep these videos short, easy to navigate. In my next video, I am going to show you how to trade with margin. When I say going to show you how to trade with margin, essentially how to put up a trade using the margin that you received, because unlike other exchanges, Binance, it's different. So we'll walk through it together in the next video. With that, guys, ciao.